The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, my day here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. You see it? Yeah, when it comes down to social media, my motto is, when you thought you have seen it all, think again. You see it? So the first video I'm going to present to you, this video has been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video has been recorded, but however, this video shows a motorist who attacked a police officer with a machete. Some persons might also call the machete cutlass, you see me? Yeah, this video shows how a motorist attacked a police officer with a machete, you see me? Yeah, and it is said that the motorist is a minibus driver. You see me? However, viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the minibus driver attacked the police with a machete. So what I'm saying to you, but by presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, maybe you can take a look at this video and tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Or you can tell me why you think the minibus driver attacked the police with the machete. Alright, now, I'm about to present this video to you, but this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
What story is this? I never seen civil life man running police with cutlass.
Alright, I don't have any confirmed information as to what happened after the video had been recorded. You see me? No, I don't have any confirmed information as to what happened after the incident. You see it? And I really do appeal to subscribers. Attacking someone with or without a machete is just totally wrong. No one should do something like that. You see? I mean, that's a police officer, you know. That's a police officer. That's why I'm going to leave that one, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to the other video. Alright, now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. But however, according to some things that have been shown and said in this video, I got the understanding that this video shows a hostile confrontation between two persons. You see me? And one of the persons involved in the confrontation said some things that gave me the understanding that he accused someone of scraping his motor vehicle. You see me? This video also shows a person with a gun in his hand. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. You see me? Tell me why you think these persons really and truly argued and what could have caused this hostile confrontation between these two persons. You see what I say? Alright, now I'm going to present the video to you, but before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Watch and fucking see something. You pull the gun. Remember you pull a fucking gun for me.
Well, they better just call her because he's not supposed to be pulling a gun for the civilian. Don't play me, call the police for him.
On top of that, he retired though.
Exactly.
You don't pull a fucking gun for me. You don't care?
It's a call the police for him.
Don't go down there, call the police for him. Don't call the police
It's
for
a
him.
call the
Call the
police.
police for him.
I mean, yeah, that's why he say, let me get away from that.
He shooting nothing. He shooting nothing.
Let me see. Yeah, he wrong anyhow you take it, he cannot do that yet. He cannot do that. Yeah.
And why you fucking shoot? You know pull a gun for me? You don't know where you start? Yes, remember you pull a fucking gun for me, boy.
Says call your husband, because he in the wrong. Call your husband. He in the wrong.
Shoot me for fucking scratching up now. You don't fucking shoot me for scratching it.
That's a man, go back on his face.
Why fucking shoot me for scratching it? I'm the government fucking road.
Something wrong with he.
But everybody can't be saying the same thing about you.
You don't pull a fucking gun for me for what? For parking.
Everybody can't be saying the same thing because you do me the same thing too.
The same thing. That is road. You're wrong.
You do me the same
You're
thing.
wrong.
You don't know who the fuck I is. Just stinking mother cunt. I bet you go fucking care. That fucking thing. Don't fucking shoot me, friend. You stinking mother cunt, shoot me. Why fucking shoot me? You stinking come and scrape me again.
You wanted somebody to do this.
I have said this before in previous videos that I posted, and I'm going to say it again. It's best to walk away from hostile confrontations. See? You see me Dancehall skilla? Me not like confrontations, you know. You see me I say, no. Me's the kind of person, me rather sit down and talk with people, yo. You see me I say, alright, so someone scratched a person's motor vehicle with his vehicle. You see me? I mean, can't the two motorists come together and talk over certain things, you know? Try get to an understanding, you see me? And if a person wrong, him just admits him wrong. And if the person knows that him in the right, then, you know, just knows that alright, in the right, but don't rub it in the other person's face or act too vulgar with it or something. You see me? I say, why is it that, you know, whenever it comes on to certain incidents, some persons, not all, but some persons turn the whole situation in a hostile confrontation or even an altercation too. You see me? And them things there, in my point of view, are going to make things worse. Sometimes anger get the best of some of us. Yeah, I said us. Because I'm not perfect. You understand? Sometimes anger get the best of some of us. See? The video shows one person picking up something or some things from off the ground. And the video shows a person with a gun in his hand. And both persons yelled and shouted at each other. Anger on anger is what I saw in that video that I just presented to you. Or you could say anger upon anger, like how some Jamaicans would say it. You see me I say? But on a real though, the whole thing is a serious thing, you know. You see me? I mean, what if those two persons attacked each other? What if the whole situation escalated to a point where those persons ended up hurting each other? What good can come from that? Because I cannot see any good coming from a situation like that. You see me? So it's best to walk away from confrontation. You see me? That's my point of view. You see me? Sit down and talk over the differences. Anyways, you know, here's where I'm going to leave it to our viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. And you don't know, Only there so to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Don't big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.